the #1 marketing method in wholesaling real estate that nobody's talking about. Guys, it's Rick Ginn. In today's video, I'm going to walk through a technique that might shock you, but it's true. And I'm going to give you the top 10 reasons why it's true. And if you listen to the entire video, hopefully you'll open your mind and take action to take advantage of this marketing channel. But before I do that, do me a favor, make sure you know the drill. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling real estate. So guys, before I share this method with you, keep in mind, I've been doing this for 24 years. And the method I'm going to share with you, the only time I did not do it is in my first year. That's it. Why? I didn't have any money. So this method does require money for full disclosure, but like, don't freak out because you just got to get a couple deals on your belt, do an investment back in, and this is truly how you scale your wholesaling business. Now, before I get into it too, I want to tell you, I network with some of the biggest wholesalers across the entire country, people you've never heard of because they're so busy doing so many deals. Now, I've never ran the biggest operation because that's just not my style. I run an operation where I have fun working with people all over the country and we do lots of deals. But the reality, the people doing the most business, even like myself and Zach, we use this channel. And the fact is, you ready for this? 70% of the deals actually come through this marketing channel. I'm going to give you the top 10 reasons why this is true, even right now in 2026, more so today than ever before. Let's do it. I'm just going to let the cat out of the bag. It's direct mail. And I go, wait a minute, that's old school. You're talking about physical mail? Dude, like, trust me, 70% on average, that direct mail is responsible for current wholesale deals, even in 2026. Let that sink in for a minute. That means people are doing it consistent 20 years plus. Why? It's proven, it's tried, and it has results. So let me walk through the top 10 reasons why this is true. This is from my business and from businesses all over the country, and I want you to hear me out. Now, I don't recommend starting out with direct mail. I just, at some point, once you get to at least deal 3, I would definitely shift over and use it to scale your business because you can only do so much by yourself with government lists and doing that because you're going to run out of time. And so you can buy back your time by scaling with direct mail. Let's go. So before I get into it, I want you to understand there's so many alternatives out there that people thought like replace direct mail, like PPC, PPL, stuff like that, marketing agencies. Here's the problem is these companies have been running for 5, 6, 7 years. No one will share a return on investment. Why? I often find when you can't get a true return on investment, you just get particular cases. It really means the investment's not there. So whenever you spend money in business, you should get a return on it, or what's the point in spending the money? And I find some of these companies have popped up in the last 5 to 7 years. They're just really good at marketing, at taking your money. I'm just going to say it the way it is. So hear me out on direct mail and I'll show you why it crushes most of these other marketing strategies in the long run. Number 1, there's a big one. It's legal. For God's sakes, you can't get sued sending direct mail. All the big chains do it. They don't get sued. Why do they do it? Why does Domino's and all these other places send you all these coupons, all these postcards in the mail? Why? Because they get, ready for this, a return on their investment. Number 1, it's illegal. Guys, with PPC and PPL, do you know you're 100% at risk if someone decides to sue you? You're responsible. Oh, I know you bought the lead from a third party. Here's how it works in wholesaling. This is the common rule. He or she that does not derive their own leads is at risk for a lawsuit. That's how it works. Now, I know a lot of these companies say they'll defend you. I'm just here to tell you, I've been in the midst of these lawsuits myself. It sucks. And you're just trying to be a good wholesaler, trying to create leads. And what you thought you were gaining the system, it's actually screwing you over. Guys, it's illegal. You cannot be sued for sending someone a piece of direct mail. And here's the best part is when they opt in and call you on their phone number, you're 100. You're even more covered because they called you, and once they connect with you and you have permission to speak with them, the sky's the limit. You can text them, you can email them, you can do whatever without any risk because you have a proven. Now, we keep a database of our campaigns and you can do that in direct mail. You can track your KPIs, your key performance indicators, your connection rate, everything. Now, on average, I tell you right now, I like to send postcards. Why? It gets out there quick. It's much cheaper. And on average, you can do it from 56 cents to about 60 cents each. So I can do the math. It's very straightforward. Guys, it's legal. It's fully TCPA compliant. There's no other source that's going to tell you that up front. And guys, if you've ever been hit with a TCPA violation, it's painful. It can wipe you out. Not only can it wipe out your wholesaling business, it can wipe out your family personally. And this is why me and Zach are much more protective how we do it, because we've been attacked in these things. We do a lot of business and we've kind of learned our lesson. So he or she that derives their lead is always going to win in wholesaling, because you get hit with 1 or 2 lawsuits, it's game over, and they can be massive. And I don't know about you, but chasing down with a lawyer, even to defend yourself on average, it's about $15,000 to $20,000. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of you guys start out wholesaling, you don't have any money, you can create a problem. This is why I love direct mail. It's legal and it's never going away. As long as the United States Postal Service runs it and you put a stamp on it, it's legal. And I sleep a lot better at night doing my direct mail. Number 2, one of my favorite, it's market specific. All these other third-party companies, PPC, PPL, you get a deal in Idaho, you get one in Kansas, you get one in North Dakota. Great, you got a motivated seller that really needs to sell. The problem is nobody wants to buy there. So I like to pick my data and find the markets I want to attack. Direct mail allows you to key on that. And then it even gets better if you use an account like XLeads. You go over to xleads.com, you can custom tailor your list and pick out you can get it down to the zip code. You can cut it down to the block. I love this. I love this strategy because you pick your markets. If you use these wide open sources, you're going to get leads, but they're all over the country. And honestly, some of them you can't move. That's why you think they're a deal. And so pick your markets carefully. And once you find gold, you want to go all in as best you can there. I love direct mail for the strategy. Number 3, nobody ever talks about, like you people doing the cold call and all the outbound marketing methods, the texting, the knocking the doors. I found a little secret I did a lot of door knocking in my first year. It was beyond painful. I didn't have Ring doorbells or anything back then. People were just mean. And I wasn't a good salesman and I didn't know what to say. And I just kept at it. I got enough deals, so I figured it out. But once I figured out I could use direct mail, people gonna call me? Oh my life changed. Inbound, guys. If you've never done inbound, it is phenomenal. It's one of the reasons I still push doing bandit signs. Just make sure you do it legally. There's something about qualifying a seller when they call you. Now, 1 or 2 things are going to happen. They're either going to call to chew you out, whatever, have thick skin, move on. You're not going to get arrested. They'll tell you they're going to call the FBI. There's nothing illegal about sending a piece of direct mail. So I'm confident every time I answer the phone, and I always handle it with politeness, no matter what they say to me. And they've said some pretty rough stuff. If you do direct mail, you know what I'm saying. But I can actually gauge their motivation if they're calling to actually get rid of a property, because you got to understand, it takes guts for someone to pick up the phone and call you. Here's the key with direct mail, guys. Answer your phones live, especially if you're just starting out on your own. Once you get a team together, you get a partner, then you can hire someone to answer the phone. But in the beginning, man, go all in. They're not calling you at 2 o'clock in the morning. Don't worry about it. They're pretty much going to call you during daylight hours. It's not a big deal. And you spent time, you spent money, answer the dang phone. Guys, inbound will help your qualification, will get you a higher level motivated sellers. Yes, you got to sift through a lot of wannabes, but I'm telling you, at the end of the day, when you find them, these are by far some of the most profitable deals just outside of probates. Number 4, they're exclusive. They're my list. I don't have companies selling these hot leads. You pay 100, you pay 200, you pay 300. Hey, I'm going to have AI scan all this. Listen, I love AI, and you can use XLeads to scan your data privately, but these lists you create, they're yours. And if you satisfy the seller, meaning you actually connect with them and you help them solve a problem, they'll typically be loyal to you. Just do exactly what you say you're going to do. The exclusivity of these lists is powerful in direct mail, and it's often overlooked. When you do PPCL and PPL, they'll tell you exclusive, but how do you know that? And honestly, you know exactly where the lead's coming from. You know the exact time they called you. You know the owner. It's so much easier. And honestly, because they're your list, it's just easier to move forward with those leads. And it's one of my favorite parts of it. Now, do other people send direct mail? That's correct. But remember, it's in your particular market, and you are going to answer your phones live, and you are going to do everything you can to help out that seller. That's what exclusive leads do for you. It's rare in today's world, but direct mail will give you that advantage. Number 5, remember we talked about ROI before, return on investment? The proven numbers on the average, highs and lows. I've seen it as high as 8 or 9. I think that's a stretch because I've been doing this 24 years. 5 to 6 times return on investment. Let me repeat that. 5 to 6 times return on investment. That is the average. Now, there's some companies a little bit better and they push it to 8 or 9. Awesome. But honestly, if you can get 3 or 4, like most businesses would bend over backwards to get that kind of ROI. So if I spent $5,000 and I get a 6 times returns, that means I earned $30,000. Guys, guys, I teach direct mail is making an investment because in the beginning, you're going to treat it as a cost. If you knew you could put $5,000 into a bend and come back a month later and get $30,000, you would do this all day long. That's what I love about direct mail. It is a proven ROI. It is not just my personal opinion. It is fact. And if you don't believe me, go find the biggest wholesalers in the country. They will share the exact same information with you. Number 6, it's dependable and it's predictable. That's right. In today's world, as crazy as all these leads between all these different companies is, direct mail, once you figure it out, it's really dependable. It's like clockwork. Now, it does take time to get going. I tell everybody who starts out direct mail, you got to give it 90 days. There is a cycle time. But once you do it, the residual starts building up. It is phenomenal. And if you keep it up every month and you're consistent, amazing things will happen. Make sure you create a marketing plan and a marketing budget. That will keep you on task. If you become dependable with your direct mail leads, your direct mail will give you dependability on predictable income for your wholesale business. Number 7, you control the cost. That's right. If you want to send out 5,000 pieces or 10,000 pieces, if you want to send it once or twice, you are in control. Nobody else. You're not having a company tell you what to do. Now, you're going to have to be consistent and you're going to have to treat this as an investment as opposed to a cost. But controlling the cost is key because there's times to turn it up, there's times to dial it back. And the best part is you get feedback when you do data and it allows you to adjust. Remember, all real estate is local. So what happens in Florida might be a little bit different in Ohio. And I have to adjust every market I go into. It doesn't matter how much experience I have. You have to make adjustments. And that gives you the ability to control cost easily. As I said, these leads are compliant. You're not going to get TCPA complaints. You don't have to worry about D&C. Like my mind hurts between cold calling, texting, trying to do I need to do A2P compliant? Do I need to do this? Now, we do all that stuff. But direct mail, I can breathe. I can put it together and it's very simple because I don't have to worry about am I being compliant in what I do. As long as you put an ethical offer on your marketing material, you're fine. That's it. That's all you got to worry about. What do I put on the postcard? The good news is we have all that information for you. Number 9, it's data driven. And if you understand data tells you the truth. And sometimes you get bad feedback. There's no such thing as bad data when it comes to marketing and real estate. You learn from the data, you pivot, you make adjustments. And that's how you find the sweet spot in marketing. In direct mail, you control that data. You don't let a third party try to control it. You see, you know exactly the data you're putting in. You know the data you get back. And based on your KPIs, you can make adjustments. And number 10, last but not least, it's the most scalable method I know in all of wholesaling. Now, I'll admit, texting is extremely scalable, but the problem is the carriers are making it so much harder. It seems like every year it's getting harder and harder, and the response rate's going down because it's hard to get the messages through. I am concerned with the new Apple feature they put out there where everyone's screening their calls. It has drastically affected this. This is why I believe direct mail is going to be the future going into 2026. Guys, listen, I've been doing direct mail for 23 years. I don't do it just to say I did it. I do it because it's responsible for a majority of my wholesale leads. I'm just one of the only people that will actually admit it. Now, here's the good news. Because Rick loves direct mail and because direct mail is responsible for 7 out of 10 deals in wholesaling on average, it's proven, it's got an ROI of 5 to 6 times returned. We've gone ahead and included it in your XLeads account. That's right. Here's the crazy part is you now have the ability to send one postcard. So if you're doing a driving for dollars and you just want to send out one letter or one postcard campaign, you can do it all inside of XLeads. Now, as I shoot this video, I'm just finishing up the final tasks on the editing and the processes. We have some really cool features in there. And here's the best part is me, Zach, and some of my business associates all around the country, we're sharing the mail pieces that work today in our business, which means you don't have to think about it. Remember, I told you we have the template, we have the ad copy, and I've been doing this for 23 years. I'm just going to share it with you so you don't have to think about it. You can use your XLeads account to cultivate the right data so you can pick your particular market and you can go in with laser precision and go in there and attack these motivated seller leads. Now, you're going to have to be consistent. You're going to have to do it. The really cool thing is XLeads, not only can you track, you can buy your mail account, everything's tied into your account. You can put your order in there. It's never been easier than a few clicks of the button. And it's a far cry from when I got started out in wholesaling. And the fact is we have control of the printers. In the past, the printers have had control of us, and we fixed that because we brought everything in-house. Yes, you're welcome. So if you want to take advantage of direct mail, make sure you go over to XLeads.com. You can market one. You can send it 25, 30,000 pieces. This is only going to get better, guys, because this is a big part of my business, and it's taken us almost 3 years to bring this to fruition. If you want to check it out, go over to XLeads.com, and you'll have the ability to do it. And we have some really cool features coming, technology with AI AI that we can integrate in it. And guys, we are wholesalers. This is what we do. I understand the printing because I've done it so long, and we have married it into XLeads. So if you want to check out, go over to XLeads.com. I'll be releasing some training videos to show you how to do it. And this feature is available to you today. So guys, listen, direct mail. Yes, it costs money, but it is an investment in yourself. It is an investment that pays 5 to 6 times return. And if you'll become consistent, if you're going to do it, commit to 90 days. Whatever your budget is, stick to it because it's going to pay off. Remember, you're going to have to go through a little bit of pain to get what you want in life. If I thought you could send one letter or one postcard and get $100,000 deal, like wholesaling would not be the opportunity I'm presenting it to you now. But like, I love direct mail. I believe it's becoming wildly popular again because you don't have to worry about being sued. You know you're compliant, and it puts you in the driver's seat on marketing. And if you haven't figured out anything in 2026, you figure out marketing is your #1 skill set you can learn in wholesaling. The rest will come with time. You'll learn how to do the acquisitions process. You'll learn how to talk to sellers better. You've got to figure out how to find them, marketing, and then you got to figure out how to connect with them. And the other stuff you'll learn as you go along. Listen, negotiation's a little bit of a trial and error and experience. There's no such thing as a master negotiator, master salesperson in wholesaling. It's he or she that's the most confident, that shows up every day, that wants to get better each day. This is how I've learned wholesaling, and this is how I'm going to teach you guys. I love this business. How can I take a 16-year-old boy in high school and teach him how to make 100 grand? I simplified it. And if you will listen to me carefully and stop doing all these fancy things people are teaching you, it's not as challenging as you think it is. Just reach out, connect with people, talk to them, help them solve their problems. Remember, the answer is in the solution they already present to you. Just take that data and advise them on a solution that will best cure their problem. And if you do, you create a win-win situation. And I've never had a problem doing that whole thing. Guys, I love direct mail. I confess. Now, my advice to you is not start out doing direct mail, but as you get a few deals on your belt, then you go, okay, man, how can I get people starting to call me? Direct mail is one of the techniques, guys. It works. It's always worked. It worked before me. It'll work after me. And I know it'll work for you. So go over and check it out, XLeads.com. Let me know in the comments if you're going to use direct mail in 2026, because guys, it's coming back. You know why? Because the bells and whistles are all worn out and they don't really work as well as they do anymore. And direct mail is really gaining traction. So take advantage of it. Let me know. And as usual, guys, if you got value from this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. This is Rick Ginn. I'll see you guys next video.